If you want earn $200 free, you can join now this exchange link in description and make account and deposit $10 and start trading, then you are eligible for earn free $200. No KYC required, just write your email and password. Hello. Welcome Everything Knowledge channel. In this video I will show you best future trading exchange in the world. In this exchange we will start future trading just $2. Means we will start future trading a little amount. If you don't believe you can try this exchange. You deposit a little amount for testing. They will take a little fee on our future tradings, just trading fee 0.19%, 0.060%, no KYC required. Just create account and start trading. Let in quote start video Margex. Is a Bitcoin derivatives exchange that offers up to 100x leverage trading. The exchange features a powerful trading engine for its traders to long or short the Bitcoin market. Margex boasts a fair and secure platform with rapid trade execution speeds to take advantage of price volatility. Key features: easy to use and beginner-friendly trade USD crypto pairs using BTC as collateral, up to 100x isolated margin trading, combined liquidity of 12 exchanges in one place, competitive trading fees, price manipulation protection, powerful charting by TradingView. What is Margex? Margex is a new digital asset and investment platform that has been designed to provide a fair, transparent and secure exchange for trading the cryptocurrency trading. Exchange's primary offering is a Bitcoin-based derivatives market which allows its users to trade long, buy, or short, sell cryptocurrency pairs with leverage up to 100 to 1. Margex exchange works by combining the liquidity of 12 other popular leverage exchanges in one place, resulting in deep liquidity and their $40 million order book depth. Users can trade popular digital futures coins using a modern, user-friendly interface and with competitive fees. Is Margex safe? Margex is a new leverage exchange and is too early to call whether it is a safe place to trading cryptocurrencies. However, there appears to be several security features in place to secure client information funds, which include the use of multi-sig withdrawal process, offline cold wallet storage and two-factor authentication. Based on our research, there have been no major security incidents, hacks or system compromises that have occurred to date. Quick overview: exchange name: Margex Cryptocurrency, BTC, ETH, LTC, XRP, EOS and YFI Fiat Gateway. No leverage, up to 100x trading fee 0.19%, 0.060% withdrawal fee. Crypto standard network fee, take profit, stop loss orders yes. Mobile app, no features and services. Easy to use. Margex offers a user interface that is simple, elegant and easy to follow. While margin trading is not always best for beginners, the derivatives product will suit a wide variety of individuals to speculate on future BTC price by longing or short selling Bitcoin with leverage to make potential returns or hedge against volatility. No KYC required to start. Margex is a derivatives exchange that accepts cryptocurrency deposits in Bitcoin only. As the platform does not allow the transfer of fiat money, there is no requirement to submit personnel information, upload identity documents or complete the Know Your Customer (KYC) process. 100x leverage. Margex specializes in leverage trading and offers up to 100 to 1 isolated margin positions to maximize potential profits. The exchange uses isolated margin that informs the trader of the liquidation price and amount of funds at risk before placing a trade. Note: not suitable for everyone. Protection against price manipulation. Trading crypto with leverage can be risky due to the highly volatile asset class that can result in sudden fluctuations in price movements and also price manipulation of low liquidity trading pairs. Price manipulation was a common problem on exchanges like BitMEX. Margex solves this risk by not offering assets and their own price manipulation system to monitor the consistency of prices using algorithms from its 12 liquidity partners.